One direction.
Colors.
Bye bye.
Good fish.
Oh, are those ducks? Oh, what's that?
So I changed the hooks.
I could be down, I could be out, but one thing
Here's
is
the
true.
lake. Oh, it's a small lake.
Calm. Yeah, it's not huge.
Oh.
It is nice and calm.
Yay!
I'm liking this, Eliza.
That's good. Diyan na yung tatay ni Eric. So, dito sila nakaset up yung kapatid niya. Hello!
Huh? Hi, Eliza.
Ngayon naman yung air mattress na yung isa-set up namin kasi okay na yung tent.
No, it doesn't
Yun nga, gumagana na siya. Okay, nandito na kami sa loob ng tent. And ito na yung airbed. Tapos ito yung, what's this one? The green one.
This is a sleeping bag.
Oh, sleeping bag. So, yan. Sleeping bag. Tapos kailangan ka-chinelas kami kasi mabato. Hi, GP!
Hi, Eliza.
How's it going?
Having fun so far.
That's good. Hi, Murray.
So what events do we have planned?
Barbecue hamburgers. First up.
Ooh.
Mainit dito.
Corn on the knob.
Ang cool nito. Meron siyang para siyang bote. Buti na lang na-set up na namin yung tent kasi kanina hindi pa masyado umuulan. Thank you. It is a little windy.
We don't need to go across the lake to fish on this side of the lake.
Oh, I see. Oh, are those ducks? Oh, what's that?
Bunch of ducklings. Little
Hmm,
baby ducks.
cute.
This is the fish that we're fishing for.
Oh, okay.
Walleye.
Yeah, because you don't have any
And then
limit.
that's
Okay.
a white fish. So that's what we catch ice fishing.
Okay.
And then this is a northern pike. We don't like catching these, but they're fun to catch because they pull really hard and they fight a lot. But they snap lines a lot.
Okay.
And then perch are really small,
Uh-huh.
but you need to catch a lot of them to,
Oh.
to be able to eat them.
And this one you can eat because it doesn't have a catch and
Yes, you
release.
can
Okay.
keep 15 of those every day.
Oh, every day.
And then
Okay.
burbot is kind of like a slimy, gross fish that I've never caught before.
Okay. It's not so bad.
Oh, it's not.
Yeah. Yes. I am.
Wet.
Okay.
Almost stepped in the water there.
Ooh.
Gotta get your sea legs about you.
Oh. Oh. Ah, no! Bye. Mag-fishing sila. So, kinuha niya yung lisensya niya. Bukas na lang ako. Kasi, medyo malakas yung hangin. Oh, you're getting your boots. That's good. Good idea. Yan, dun sila dumaan. Tapos nandun yung boat nila. Si Eric umiihi sa, sa kabila nito. Ay. Bye!
Bye. Miss you.
Miss you. Ooh, some fish.
Fished one spot for a few minutes and then we started to drift by accident. So we
Maybe.
were just, you could still see up the road a bit, but Chris had a problem. So I gave him switch rods, so I changed the hooks.
Ito yung minuto ng lolo niya. Isa kami ni Eric.
Get it nice and underneath so it cooks, okay?
Oh, okay. How do you know if it's cooked?
It'll start turning black.
Oh, okay.
Rotate it once in a while.
You gotta get that turn going.
This is awesome! Luto na siya. Ito yung niluto ko. Dito sa fire. Kain!
Stay low
Uh-huh.
and hang on to the sides.
And it helps if somebody's stabilizing it.
Yeah,
Okay.
it makes it a lot easier.
Am I going to be in the middle or like...
Yes, you'll be on the middle seat.
Did you grab the...
Oh my. I feel like we're gonna fall.
Okay. It's pretty hard to tip this boat.
already got one. Oh.
He's been in some fights. I've seen some shit.
So,
The size of their eyes.
do you have to return this?
Yep, you gotta put them back in.
Oh.
Can't keep it.
Bye. Who's in? I see it. Nice. Got my first fish. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah. I'm not gonna kiss it with it. Oh,
Back in the spine.
here. Oh my god. This is so.
Don't hold it by the back of the spine. Alright,
Oh.
that spine is very sharp.
Oh, okay.
Belly's okay.
Thank you,
I'm
teachers.
glad that you caught fish, and I think you might have caught just as many as I did.
I got 8
Your
fish.
first time out.
Mhm.
That is freaking awesome.
Thanks. Good job too. Thanks for being patient.
That's where the credit goes to Eric. No, 10% goes to Eric.
Oh.
He's a good teacher. And 90% on pure skill. Leave the life jackets in the boat. Leave
Okay.
everything in the boat.
Pabalik na sila from fishing.
We tried, it seemed to be not a bad Chinese restaurant.
Chinese food? Yeah, it is. We're having Chinese
Square
food.
one and then square.
Square one there?
I want it that.
Boys in the Hood? One Direction.
No. Good guess, Logan. Yes.
Backstreet Boys?
That's pretty close to black on the one
Uh-oh.
side there.
That is cooked perfectly.
Yung bed namin, lumubog na naman. Kagabili na ganyan siya ulit. In the middle of the night kasi lumubog na naman ito. So, no choice eh. Yung puwet namin nasa lapag na.
You like Chef Steinborn?
Ito yung Korean bacon kahapon.
Well made before.
Yay! Yes, it's unlocked. Kain! Mas maalon today, OMG. Medyo nakakatakot. Kasi ito si Eric, naglalagay ng sunscreen.
Tell me when you see the road. That is a keeper right there.
Oh, we don't...
Colors,
Bye-bye.
good fish.
Good fish.
Oh, I can just hear his teeth
Oh,
cutting my line.
one for Eric.
Side.
Good job.
Got it.
Is it a big one?
Nah, he's just like that. He's got some kind of sore in his mouth or something.
Oh. Where is it going? Oh.
Supposed to hover?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like a drone.
Cupping your hand, you need to have it flat.
It's not fine fast.
Aww.
I'm a true archaeologist.
This was a lot more fun.
One smash?
Yeah.
Well, it seems to be lasting longer than the hovercraft.
Yeah, you try
Oh, you got it.
You have to use the proper technique that's for sure.
Oh.
What did I get?
Yeah.
What kind of dinosaur?
Do not try this at home. No.
What kind of dinosaur is this?
Which one of these you like? I want to watch what
Um,
this.
Tyrannosaurus Rex?
you got a velociraptor or a
Oh.
Wow.
I got a craposaurus.
Guys, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina pero 3 o'clock na dito. And paalis na kami. Ayan, wala na yung tent namin, no. Ayan. Tapos mag-drive na yan si Eric. So, let's go. Let's go home. Bye!
Bye!